Hey, Nagios community, I'm Aaron. I'm excited to let you know that we have a whole new slate of solutions for you. I'm talking about new versions, and these versions are named 2024. So we've got Network Analyzer 2024. We've got Fusion 2024. We've got Log Server 2024. And of course, we have Nagios XI 2024. We've got a lot of improvements in these. We've been listening to everything that you've had to say to us, and I'm so excited to bring all of these to you. I've missed you while I've been gone through the pandemic, but we're back together. We got the band back together, and I am so excited about the solutions we're bringing to you and your IT departments. We have got a webinar set up for November 21st. Let's take a look at what's on that list. We've got use cases. We've got new features, and it's your opportunity to see it all before it hits the street.
Don't forget about the discussion series.
What? The discussion series. So we've got a great new discussion series coming up. We're going to sit around this very table. We're going to talk about things. The first thing we're going to talk about is monitoring and artificial intelligence. That's right, AI. We have some really cool stuff that we want to show you in there. I also want to hear about what you think about it, what use cases you have, where you think that's going, and what more we can do on that score. Gonna be a great discussion. Plus, we got a whole series of stuff coming after that. Hope to see you there. Am I done? Did I forget anything?
You're done.
All right, we're done.